So I'm starting to really feel this trip. I'm tired, I'm hot. I thought about going off the beaten path because I know you can find a bunch of stuff. There were so many small places. But sometimes when I'm tired like this, I just want to go to a big place and kind of blend in. So I've arrived in Williamsburg, and I'm at Williamsburg Antique Mall. I've never been here before. So I'm going to go in. Looks like it's pretty decent size here. The chef scoopers, those are fun. 12 for 2. Pose Angel, 15. Getting closer. I'm not a big Pyrex person, but I think this is an awesome piece. 48. Gosh, this stuff is so expensive. I just picked up this funny thing hanging on the wall. Let's see. There you go. $3. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab this. I think there should be a marking here. Japan. Fantastic. Oh, I love this Earl Bernard mirror. It's got a lot of paint loss for $27 though. If it was in better condition, I would totally pick that up. What is this guy? Oh my gosh, this bookend is too cute. Is its tail broken? Looks like its tail's kind of broken. Maybe not. No, it is, because it would be painted. Right? No, maybe not. Oh, it's only $10. And clown planter, $12. That's super fair price. It's got a pretty gnarly hairline though. Is this a pickle? 14, dang. I don't think I can spend that much. That's probably about what I get for that after fees. This is newer, but it's got 2 faces. We love double-faced things. This is perhaps the best house dress I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, how funny. I love that. How much is it? $65. Okay. That's an investment for that. And of course, I cannot help but notice that bohemian glass lamp. That is really pretty. I love the top shade. I see boudoir dolls hiding back here. I love boudoir dolls. That one's only $39. Ooh, just like walked right into the wall. Ooh, and then the bride one. She's really pretty, $35. Got a little damage on the face. Okay, a lot happening here too. All you glass lovers, my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. The cut glass. Oh, I don't even really like this stuff that much, and I'm obsessed. What's happening over here? This. Oh, wow. $20. That's a super fair price. Wonder if I could get away with getting that after fees and everything. I feel like I could. It's really close though. Her expression isn't, I mean, it would have to be perfect for me to justify spending that much. Oh, and I love this set. It's $100 though. And the flower pots, the miniatures, but one is very broken. What is this mirror? Wow, that's cool. 15, that's super fair. I might have to come back from here. It's porcelain too, which I wasn't expecting. Little holiday booth. What's this reindeer guy? He's pretty great. $10. That's totally a fair price. It's got a little schmutz on it though. Oh, I got really excited from afar. This is not what I thought it was at all. There is just so much to see here. I'm kind of all over the place. What is that vase? Very cool. It's only $12 too. It's signed. Really a fan of that. Got a lot of little dolls that are super sweet. I love this cloth doll though. Oh. All right, I caught up to where this girl was. I'm gonna leave her just because of the condition, and I've had her a few times. But opposite of that is this booth. There's a lot happening in here. Look, I must admit it looked a little bit more exciting from afar. A lot of the stuff's new. I think this is what caught my eye. That is very strange. $18. I'm not sure if I could justify spending $18 on her. It's definitely a fair retail price, I find, though. Look at that weird little baby thing. It's $25. A lot going on in here. $10. Gosh, so much. Oh, Fifi the Park Avenue Poodle. $8? Oh my gosh, it's even got the original tag. That is too cute. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this. What's this one up here? Probably 80s. This guy is super different. 18. Yeah, that makes sense. I've never seen this one before. I'm also obsessed with this little baby. Unfortunately, it's $15. What is this? It looks kind of like Smokey the Bear, but something's really off there. It's very cool, but it's $50. I'm not gonna get much more out of that, if anything. Oh my gosh. Holy Christmas. All right, well, a lot of this looks like it's been crafted. Ah, I hate when the prices are turned over. Let's see if I can get an idea of how much. There's one of the Valentine's Day ones. Man, I might need a key. Oh my gosh, look at this. How spectacular. So cute. It's really, it's a really fair price. What are these little soldiers? Oh, they're ceramic. They're made out of pots. How cute. That's really original. Oh, I love this angel. $8. Gosh, the prices are so fair. Oh, how cute is he? $7. It's got a chip. I did pull out the pink elf and the little pose angel. They both had pretty bad stains. Rubens Japan. I am very distracted by whatever this is. Is it coming apart there? It's not that bad. That is so funny. Is it weird if I buy this? I feel like it's almost weird if I don't. Is all the fuzz about to come off though? Kind of looks a little rough. Very cute though. Fluff that back in there. Look at this little planter. How cute. It's only $8. Is there any hairlines or anything? It's like an ashtray too. I'm definitely gonna pick this up. That is really cute. Chalkware Nodder. Never seen this one. $12.50. Wow, that's cheap. It's definitely got some damage. I could still make money off of it, but I'm hesitant to pick it up. It's just got a little too much paint loss, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'll regret that, but better safe than sorry.